We're going to put the saliva ejector that I've turned so that she can have it in her mouth without choking and having the tissue get all sucked up into it. And we're going to hang it in her mouth. We're going to have her turn towards me. You do the same thing with a 6-year-old. That's just all there is. With a 6-year-old, you're going to give a little bit more warning. With a fully grown adult like Andrea is right here, we're just going to go for it. So now we have the saliva ejector into her mouth, and we're going to use the mirror, and we're going to be addressing this tooth back here. When you're looking at this tooth, you can see it's got some staining, and you're just never going to get that groove as clean as you think you are using traditional methods. You really need to use an air polishing unit. So this is the tooth we're going to be polishing or preparing for the sealant. We hold the cheek off to the side. If the patient's tongue is a little bit sensitive, we'll hold the tongue off to the side, because we know sometimes the tongue kind of swells up and covers the entire occlusal surface of the tooth. So we'll be using our mirror to hold the tongue out of the way. But in this case, to make it a little bit easier to see, we're going to direct the polishing compound directly into the pits and fissures. We're just going to go back and forth like that. We're going to angle just a little bit both directions, because we have no idea what the direction of the pit or fissure is. We don't know if it opens more towards the buccal. We don't know if it opens a little bit more towards the lingual. We just know there's a line there. So we're going to polish that and clean that out really, really well. And then we're going to rinse it really, really well also.